Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop over the world. So for now, what's down to this news? Alright, so William Gallas come as I can react to the fact say Kai Havertz they play left back for Germany. So Baba Conde of the opinion say he don't really understand why Havertz, know how to react. Say Kai Havertz they play left back for Germany, because Kai Havertz play left back for Germany is shocking. Like the thing come as a surprise to him. Like why this kind of thing will happen. So he can look at from a different limelight. So you can say make him put himself like in the point of view of the player as a player now. So when you play attacking role for your club and the club before, and your national team manager when they play you as a left back, it should be a source of worry, a cause of concern. Say that they play you against Turkey for left back, and to make matters worse, yesterday they still play another match with Austria. The Nagelsmann, maybe the coach, still use them, and they play that match. I think they lost 2-0 for the match where they play yesterday. So that is why Gallas called it to say it don't make any sense. Even though Nagelsmann they come outside the talk say and Kai Havertz wanted to try it, he wanted to play it, we spoke about it, it still doesn't make any sense, because before Germany they use him as a number 9, but now you don't want Borussia Dortmund striker Fulkrog. Everyone like so his name, I don't know how to pronounce the name. So that guy, a very good striker, the guy that they play number 9. So now they don't know where they go play because they have a lot of players in the midfield. All those Leon Goretzka, they get many good players for the midfield, so they don't know what to do with Kai Havertz. They can't go to play him for left back. So for me, it is an insult. You don't make any. It just shows you are useless. Like the coach doesn't know what to do with you. Because they carry you, go to play left back, and you are happy. The 2 games you play left back, I don't really watch him, so I don't really know how convincing he was in those games. So it's just this sad. I don't just know why Kai Havertz career just to go from grace to grass. Like I can't really understand it. This was a player who was once like showing some potentials in Bayer Leverkusen. All of a sudden, as he go Chelsea, everything just capitulate like a pack of cards. Like the same question with Gallas they asked. Let me say why they asked. Like initially I was thinking, okay, they're trying to experiment, but now Nagelsmann is saying that they don't want to play for Euros. Like how do you go from playing top 9, playing attacking midfield to go and play left back, and you want it to be your normal role? German fans don't dey para. So they don't try that nonsense experimentation. So I don't know how to look at it. Alright, so based on the match we Argentina play versus Brazil yesterday, or should I say Brazil versus Argentina for the Maracanã Stadium. So the match end 1-0. Argentina beat Brazil. Many people don't send me DM because when I wake up 5 o'clock and I start research, but see many messages. People who watch the match. Some people send me videos, say CHUKS, I watched the match. Then the match was very intense. Almost say the fight Brazil police versus Argentina fans. Almost say the match no be here, but say our players, those who watch our movie, because me I don't watch our movie, obviously I tell them say I gotta go sleep. So people who watch am say Gabriel Jesus, Martinelli, Gabriel Magalhaes, they did well, no injury, and the match was very intense. Say in fact the match was delayed for like 25 minutes. Everybody, the players guys go back because the atmosphere was. I tell you say the rivalry. Me why they tell us this match will be very brutal. Now no one say they talk. That is why I said the fear. You make Gabriel Jesus no go play for this kind of match. You say the intensity is out of this world. You get. So at the end of the day, our players no get injury. Just say their ego has been bruised, because Brazil, according to statistics we are talking about before the game, the Brazil never lose for that ground, the Maracanã Stadium. Any World Cup qualifier where they play there and Shola, they know they lose. But this time, for the first time in a long while, they actually lost. So they played, though they obviously everybody knows that they missed some big names. Get even the goal where they scored now, Otamendi. See the way that Otamendi lifts, nodding that corner. Well, at the end of the day, the win nobody really talk about. And just waiting sub between the police and the fans. Say police carry baton, they wipe Argentina fans. No be here, fans have the uproot chair, the stone police. It was very brutal. So they Messi talk about it, and the butcher also talk like that violence come mad the performance. But all in all, by tomorrow highest, they expect our boys to come back, let them focus on waiting to sub for the league. Alright, so one of our community members, they call Ejioku Hillary. So our senior man, they invite Arsenal fans so they for River State, Port Harcourt, for Rumokuta area, saying they're doing wedding for St. Francis Church, and the date now December 9. So they say we can invite our community members so they are around, so make them come join them, celebrate, and wish them all the best of luck. You get, so God will bless on our union and happy married life. And nobody himself they invite us for wedding, so he can a blessed. So himself in wedding now on Saturday 25th. When they come Saturday, not too far. So himself they invite people for his own wedding. So we say may God bless your union and happy married life. So send us pictures. You see, say with your wife, we are Arsenal, the Arsenal fans get. So the other one way do you also an Arsenal fan, but only card in send me. So that's so it just be. So wish them happy married life. Alright, so we can get one statistics where the Premier League, you can follow Premier League for Twitter. So Premier League posted the statistics. Say the last time Man City actually won consecutive league matches against Liverpool, now 1937. Now it happened. And why did they talk this one? And based on the fact that Man City go play Liverpool for the weekend, early kickoff. So when they play that match, if like say the last meeting where these two people meet, the Man City winner. So the question now becomes, will Liverpool allow Man City to do a double over them? So and when you check now, you go see say Liverpool they in red hot form. They in form, they are playing very well. They are that second week then they no be fluke. They are doing very well this season. And me on that day I will be a Liverpool fan because I will be supporting Liverpool. Either a draw or a win, make them beat Man City. It's okay by me. And make we self take advantage of the fact say we play Brentford. So we are expected to beat Brentford, but you know as things they go now. But just do well. Now my own. My happiness we say the races don't come back, Nketiah don't come back, Odegaard don't come back, we still get Trossard with the fire and all cylinders. Like we have a clean bill of health, apart from the likes of maybe Thomas Partey and maybe Timber. Even the Timber self, and the say the guy don't come back, or say the guy don't do the short is coming back anytime soon. Say don't the near recovery, like 100% recovery completion. Because I saw that report, I can't remember the monitoring spirit why I see that report. That's why I know out of my news, but now I will say if I remember the name, maybe in the evening I will see bring the monitoring spirit to tell me that thing. But it is confirmed, say in recovery phase, it did go well. It gets even Kevin De Bruyne from Man City side said in recovery phase, it did go well. So we'll just watch how things they unfold. So our match in the weekend, we must, in as much as we expect Liverpool to help us do magic, like what Chelsea do Man City, collect points for their hand. We must make sure say we defeat the people who we want to play. And the good part is so we don't first watch that one before we play. So anything can happen there. If Liverpool collect points, we will be super motivated to make sure say we do something, because now 1 point Man City they gap us. If they drop, they will come say they gap us with 2 points. If we can't win, we don't overtake them. It will make sense. Alright, based on what I talked yesterday, say that interview Ramsdale do. Now one of the things why I feel say turn Arteta head, we make Arteta come buy Raya. So many people come outside for the comment section. I saw some comments as I highlight them now way that they say. Some people say CHUKS na lie, like I don't support your line of thought. You know, they talk different things. Say they don't already buy Raya before they do that. Well, the thing is, I don't actually go bring the reports from the Sun. Because when I tell you, say Arsenal fans, many people, myself included, they feel say that interview now what's make Arteta do that. Nobody say not only me, you get. So the Sun even do the reports as you can see on the screen. Now when you can't read the reports further, you can't find the section where I don't highlight when I talk. Say this interview was not a recent interview. Now interview I think we Ramsdale do for the summer before we buy Raja. Now I do that interview. You get, so for those who they argue, because I see so many comments for the comment section, you know, they like to give an evidence. I know they like to be argue. I just bring the evidence. Now something they do for the summer. You get, so add 1 + 1. Like the way me I did think, the way my head they work is the witch cried in the night, the baby died in the morning. Just add 1 + 1 equals to 2. You did an interview in the summer, telling the whole world that in a football match of 90 minutes, if you are asked to concentrate, you cannot concentrate. In fact, you are finished. Now in words with that, as I don't highlight them for the screen, you'll see the quotation marks when they say, if he play for 90 minutes, if you ask him to do that, he is finished. Imagine yourself as a manager, you can't see this interview because it was publicized. You see this interview where your number 1 goalkeeper, they talk, say, he focus for 90 minutes. How you go feel? Put yourself in Arteta's shoes. This was before the season started. I think I would say, this guy will finish me for this season. That's why Arteta go activate David Raya. So now the way my brain they work. Yeah, so I don't know. Now I don't give you all the information. So what do you think happened when you know say this interview? Because at the time when Ramsey do that interview, he no believe say Arteta go even buy any keeper. He believes say in there in a safe space. Now he be number one, so he can say anything he like. For that interview session, he arrives, he arrives just they look the guy say, hey, this guy well. Now I just they look and he don't talk, just they look the guy say, Baba, he dey whine me. That's why he arrive, they look at. So that is so just to debunk all these people. Say, CHUKS, I don't like your analysis, I don't do this one. You don't see the fact. Say the thing go viral now. Don't be saying that now they just do one. The interview now before they viral and I ain't do one. You get so the thing just the trend now because now people don't they add 1 + 1 equals to 2. They say no wonder. Now what did make Arteta go buy this keeper? You get we make all those when they sympathize with Ramsdale now. They no go get mouth to talk again because when you watch this kind of interview, imagine you are the manager. How you go feel? Alright, away from that, so with what they happen to Gavi of Barcelona, I don't know how many of you know say for this international friendlies, Gavi don't suffer anterior cruciate ligament injury. According to Fabrizio Romano, he will be out for like 9 months. The guy they cry for that Spain match. The guy they cry. I'm gonna go and call you feel for him. Now penance, German penance, call the talk say make Arteta they look that thing as example. Say look at this Bukayo Saka, the way with the plan. All this kind of injury make it no go happen to Saka because Saka na like the most attacked player on the field of playing time Arsenal they play. They always attack in leg, they always kick out. One day, God forbid, something bad could happen. But the thing is, we can't argue from both sides of our mouths. That when they say make them rest Bukayo Saka, when they rest and we go see say why they rest and make them player. You get so the truth of the matter is injuries, horrific injuries happen in football. You don't know the day it go happen. If it even happens inside training, no be Odegaard miss Newcastle, miss Sevilla. We ain't get an injury when they miss Sevilla. Not be for training. They say Cedric Suarez wipe shot for his face. He now had a concussion. Not be for training happen. So all these things wey you see here, it can still happen for training. So now so it just be our prayer and make our players no suffer horrific injuries. So whether they no go suffer injury, that one a lie. As long as they play, something will solve. But make it not be horrific injury. We say we go here ACL 9 months, 8 months. No, maybe it's like 3 weeks, 2 weeks. It's okay. Alright, so former Aston Villa defender what they call David don't come as I call it or say Douglas Luiz go like to join a Champions League club. Even though you know the comments I can't tell you, but obviously now one of players' ambition. Say okay, for my playing career, I would like to play for Champions League is like the holy grail of club competitions. Every player wants to play there. Why did they say Declan Rice come join Arsenal? You get because he won't play there regularly. Even join Man City, they will play Rodri. Maybe they enter cameo appearances, play 20-15 minutes. But here 2-4-7, Baba they play 2-4. You get so that's why Champions League very very important. I said Douglas Luiz will scamper, saying would like to play for the competition, especially if Aston Villa no fit partake for that competition because like I explained yesterday, there is a realistic chance that England will get a top 5 slots for Champions League ahead of next season's competition. So more they see how Aston Villa will fare. Now what make them go the hustle. So if they no come meet am, now we say for summer, the guy go one move because this January and see where they dey for table. They tell like maybe 5th or 6th. So United Emily go stay ginger them. So we can do it, guys. Men are there. Men are no come out for January because this Champions League we fit qualify for them. You guess, but at the end of the day, if they no get that, players go on move. Alright, away from that, so the Daily Express come as I call it talk say Arteta don dey forced to change in plan as Ruben Neves say no dey leave Saudi Arabia. Even if this morning Sky Sports can also do the same expose. Because they talk say the guy say he no dey leave, which means he don dey cemented, it's confirmed. Say no dey leave, and obviously now because of the injuries to Neymar and Sergej Milinkovic-Savic of Al Hilal, so there is no way. Come on, Al Hilal can say make that one self come on because they self get their own ambition. They won't win league, they won't win the Asian Champions League. They are doing very very well, topping their group. So they no go one lose guard. So for that reason, it's not joining. So who are the likeliest option? Let me say all road may lead to Douglas Luiz. So, but Arteta still shock us. Arteta and Gaspar. When I not forget, so with the recent Andre from Fluminense, one side Andre, and I couldn't check Brazil's first 11 of late. Do you know that Andre is a regular starter in Brazilian lineup? They play with Gomes for the midfield. And one thing about Brazil is if you know good, they don't go select you. So for him to be playing for Brazil first 11 is good. So well, we'll just go watch how it will be. About Saliba said, I even forget to turn. Saliba played for France against Greece yesterday, even though the match ended 2-2. So Saliba actually did well. You get one swing Saliba. Don't say Saliba almost do mistake further. Those Greece players just rush and guide the guy. His ability to play under pressure. Top notch. Guy they play very, very well, representing Arsenal very well. I just did unhappy say they no win. You get, even though the Deschamps rest a lot of players. Mbappe no even start. Whether Mbappe later play, I don't know. Like they don't really use the first level way that they use, well, because Saliba they pair Jules Koundé. That's Jules Koundé gone. I don't really. Why you know if you pair Saliba and Upamecano or pair Saliba and Ibrahim Konate after they return to Saliba no good? Well, this is what it is now. The coach prerogative. Anything like me do. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click on so that I get all the Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out.